Hey, welcome to another part of my thing. I got my intros mixed up that time. My thing where I'm making a Tetris Game Analyzer. A couple things to note. You don't see my face. It's because I've changed a bunch of stuff and I just don't have my camera set up. So we're just going to do this without seeing my face this time. You'll also notice this is Windows 10. Legitimately, this is actually Windows. After looking at the last few videos, it became clear to me that my capture card doesn't work very well in Linux. It doesn't follow open APIs regarding cameras and open source software, and so I don't know. It works much better with Windows, and plus some of the other reasons. You know, I flip back and forth between Linux and Windows several times in my life. I'm on a Windows kick now. Also because developing on Windows is what I do every day, and I like using the tools, and anyway, we don't need any more explanations. This just, whoops. And I am using OBS, and this is a test of actually recording my desktop with OBS. My computer, my personal computer that I use, is not very powerful. So this is almost just a gut check to see if I can actually record on Windows, my desktop, because apparently doing that on Linux is a lot easier. But anyway, not a whole lot. I haven't done a video in over a month, so let's remind ourselves what we're doing. The game analyzer, whoops, we got to bring this over here. The game analyzer was working. Everything is showing up on the wrong monitor. Come on. Oh, come on. Over here, please. Oh, my word. Come on, people. And I've got white space because I was doing some Python stuff. That's here. View white space. There we go. So anyway, I've sort of tested this out a little bit, but the problem is I need a new coordinate system. Like my app settings works with a 720 by 576 image viewed in VLC snapped to the top left corner. So the issue though is that when I run VLC and I open up my capture device and we do this, and I say 720 by 576, because apparently in Windows you got to do that automatically. This is fine. This check. What's happening? I could hear my voice. Check. Oh my word. That's weird. Anyway, you probably can't hear that. Okay, anyway. Oh man. What if I did this? Check. Man, it's something to do with VLC, and my Nintendo colors are all screwed up. So let's reset that. Anyway, I can't snap this to the top left. Like it just, who knows where. I can't snap it real nice. So I'm not sure how to verifiably get this Tetris screen in the right place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Windows hotkey, and I can like move it in certain ways, deterministic ways. We're actually going to do this, and I'm going to take a screenshot, and then we're going to, I don't even have GIMP on here. Do I have GIMP? No, I don't even have GIMP. So we're just going to open up good old Paint. And just want to make sure If can I see my stats? Dropped frames. Recording. I'm not sure. Whatever. Doesn't matter. We'll see. Okay, let's paste this. So this is my screen. And I want to draw a rectangle. You know, basically this is what we're going to get our screenshots. So the rectangle is 513 by 412 pixels wide. So we have to come here, and we're just going to do this. Whoa, no, please don't do that the bogus way. Oh man, it all... There, we're going to comment those out. And this is my game analyzer. This is where I take the screenshots. This is the height, or the width and the height of my box, which I'm calling 513 by 412. The goal today is not going to be very exciting, just to get this actually working in Windows. So that's what we're going to do. And now I need to find an offset, source X and Y. Yeah. So the offset is this top pixel value here, which is like 22352, 223 by 52. So, okay, there's that. Let's come here and do that. I'm gonna snap this here. It's gonna look ugly, but that's okay. We're gonna put a breakpoint here, and we're going to debug this if I can find the button. Okay, we'll start debugging. I want to see if this is actually going to get me the screenshot. So let's step over. There, we got our screenshot. Let's take screenshot, and we're going to save it. And I've already done some other stuff, so we're going to save this as screen3.png. Okay. We're doing all sorts of stuff today. Well, doing very little today, but we're going all around my computer today. We'll go in here. I should see screen 3, and this should be a nice Tetris screen. Check that out. Okay. So that's our base screen. Let's edit it. We can shut this down. And let's try and fill in the app settings. So the top score. And again, we want, oh boy. Oh, it's not a rectangle. Now, does that look... See, when it's smaller, it's a lot less. There. What is that? That's 18 by 16. But let's... No, I don't want to move it. I got a pixel on both sides. So I'm going to call it 16. It is 17 pixels, but I've got one column of play on both sides. So I'm going to say 16. Does a 16 box get them all? Yeah. And then it's 14, I think. 15. 16 by 15? Sure. 16 by 15. So the top. So, okay, so 16 and the height is 15. So all the heights are going to be 15. We're going to make all the heights 15. And the widths are just the number of characters. So we're going to go 16. So the width here will be 96 because it's 6 digits. This is 96 as well. This was 2, so we're going to make it 32. And this was 3, so we're going to make it 48. And all of these are 48. And now I just have to find the right XY coordinates, which is easier said than done, but, you know, the top, let's find the top. Let's call the top, oh, I need, so this is 385 by 63. Let's, I really need GIMP. 385 by 63. Let's just call it that. No, that's the score. 385 by 63. The top is actually, we're going to say 385. Oh, no, that was, oh, whoops. We're going to say 106. So this was 385. This is 63. The top's at 63. The score's at 106. The level, let's get the level here. We're going to say 417 by 288. The line count, 305, 35? Sure. 305, 35. And then all the pieces here. These look pretty awful. 95 by 162. By 162. So all of these pieces are going to be 95. Whoops. 95. And it's just the Y's now. I'm going to call it 189. the Z piece, we're going to say 218. The O, wait. Oh, shoot. Wait a second. What did I say? The T piece, what's the J piece? The J piece is 189. Then comes the Z piece, 218. Well, that's fine. Then, yeah, what am I talking about? I'm being dumb here. 246 for the O. The S is, we'll say 274. The L, we've got 302. The I piece is 330. So we'll see if that actually works. Let's snap this. I don't know, maybe we'll snap it to the, there. Okay. Then we got VLC here. Then we're going to run this. We'll hit F5 to run it. That's going to be down here. Okay. Okay, so what are my step over is F10. Okay. Let's step over and get a data model. Oh, we got an exception here. Out of memory. What? What are you talking about, out of memory? Did I make some awful mistake? I don't know, it looks fine. Out of memory? Look at the memory on this thing. It's using up. It's using a gig of memory. Holy crow, I got a memory leak. What is happening? Now I'm almost at 2 gigs. What? Now it's plateaued at 3 gigs. I don't understand. What? What is happening? It's instantly out of memory. What's out of memory? It's instant, like it doesn't even... I don't understand. So this screenshot, there's nothing wrong with it. We create a data model. Okay. I'm using 18 megs. So now we check if it's playing, and the exception we get is out of memory. Huh. Out of memory? Man, I really don't understand what's happening. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I'm confused. Confused as everything. I don't understand. Whoops. We check the is playing. So why don't I put a breakpoint here? We take the screenshot. So we do make it into here. Okay, let's actually get a screenshot from a Nintendo screen. Okay, so we actually have a real screenshot. And we'll step through this. Oh, that's why. This has been hard-coded. Okay. I'm not sure why that results in an out-of-memory error, but I think we got some loop that just destroys it. I wanted to fix that is playing check up. If I comment out all of that and then start the game when we've started a game. So this is like pre is playing flag. Okay, let me turn on my television so I can play a real game here. Ugh, man, everything's all over the place. This video will probably not go on YouTube. I just wanted to, oh my word. Okay, let's hit this, hit F5, and we'll start playing. Oh no. Oh, okay. So I topped out because, okay, so when I hit F5, I have, whoa. pressing B from that screen goes back. It's amazing. Okay. What's it like? Is it awful? It says my score is 2-2. Okay, I think my score is right. So I'm looking at, I'm trying to look at the screen and play at the same time, which is not working. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Whoops. I mean, the other thing is so 14 lines. So my question is why oh, curious. Okay. So the runtime, .NET Core runtime on Windows, the Tetris rate, that's a divide by zero error, really. Interesting. So it's actually okay. So let me make sure to hit F5. Okay. Ah. Here we go. Ah, no, I can't. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to fix it up. Oh, right. What did I, oh my word, you guys. What's happened? Okay, we're gonna stop this. But that was okay. Did kind of work out. Okay, let's try one more time. Man, the is playing flag is very... Here we go. Okay, this is for real now. I want to actually get Tetris so that I can see that rate go up. Why isn't it? Huh? Man, I wish... So it shows me... So despite every... minus 400%. That's so weird. Okay, let's restart this. Maybe I can actually... I think I can start that and then just start that and we're okay. Okay, this is legitimate now. I'm not even gonna look and I'm gonna try and score Tetris's. And hopefully we'll see everything be good. Tetris rate should have gone down. should have gone down. I mean, one of the things that I just assumed this would work in Windows. And it kind of does. Like, I should be impressed. That's what we wanted. And it didn't take very long. And I should say that I am now using screenshots that are a different size than what I developed on. They're actually smaller. So I'm grabbing a smaller area of the screen, which is more efficient. The question is, how small can I go? That would be an interesting exercise. It's getting a little bit, whoops. Yeah, it's all done now. But okay, so my score was 95083 with 40 lines. Apparently I got 3 Tetrises. Interesting, now it's just 4444. Curious. Because in Linux it said 8s, it said all 8s. It's actually not bad though, I'm a little bit... surprised. Let's start a game on 9. It'll last a long time. Let's close that down. Okay, let's... Crap. I think because okay, there we go. So now I can start on 9. Here we go. I mean, this is what I wanted, you know, with very little effort. We switched operating systems. This is what we call a drought, because I'm not getting any long bars at all. They're just not showing up. Did I even get a Tetris? According to the data, I did. That was kind of embarrassing, but you know, why did I only get 5 long bars? of the game I wanted to have earlier. Come on. Okay, enough stalling. Where's my long bar? I'm noticing the delay between the screen and what's actually on my game is quite exceptionally large. I'm not sure if that's VLC or what's happening. Just got a Tetris. And now it displays. That's interesting. And that's just VLC, so it's not the algorithm. It's just VLC being dumb. It might be, I don't know, I wouldn't even want to hazard a guess. Boy, that's like 5 seconds delayed. I mean, it doesn't matter if all you want to do is data collection, but I want to have a robotic announcer announce these games. I would be very grateful for a long bar, like right now. There we go. It's kind of a funky setup I got going on here. How is my delay? So I just went into the blue level now. And I just got a Tetris. That's a bigger delay than I remember in Linux. Just got a Tetris. So it's like Twitch delays. It's like a built-in delay when you're watching a Twitch stream or something. That's funny. Just went to level 12. Level 12 is not being very nice to me at the moment. There we go with the Tetris. Got another Tetris. So this is one of my favorite color schemes. Level 13. Level 14 isn't bad either. Oh, I don't have a 4 high there. Here we go. Level 14, folks. Level 15. I've had a couple of 400,000 games today. I did one earlier on a level 18 start, which is always nice. Oh, it's a bit of a funky misdrop. This is a very good game. This is an exceptional game. You guys are seeing close to a PB here. I hardly ever get above 500,000. I've been practicing my level 19. Does it show? No. Okay, well, that's it. That was an exceptional score. 215 lines, 29 Tetrises, and a 53% Tetris rate. I wasn't going to put this on the internet, but that just might have taken the cake. And I'm using 63 megs. It's sort of, the garbage collector is doing its thing. So, okay, well, that's pretty interesting. Okay, well, thanks for joining me. Next time I'm going to actually fix the is blank flag. But we can actually do this in Windows with very little issue. Bit of a delay though, but that's just VLC. So, yeah, right on. Okay, have a good one.